Hi, I'm Mike, Managing Director of SmartPack. We're a family-owned business and have been renovating kitchens, wardrobes, home office, storage and laundries for the past 30 years. Over the past few months, people have been asking us questions like, how can I save more money around the house? I need more storage. I want a new home office, but where do I begin? So we have decided to share a few of our gems in a video series we call The Secrets of SmartPack. So this is the fourth in the series where we'll give you some great ideas on creating some extra storage space. Firstly, the space under your bed is often underutilized. Have you thought of some roll-out boxes? Next, have you considered the space underneath your stairs? It can often be a space for an extra fridge, a second pantry, or kids' toy storage cupboards. Finally, if you need space for extra shoes, grab some 150mm PVC pipes, cut them into lengths of 300mm, glue them and stack them together, and you've got an instant shoe rack. If this has prompted you to start any project around your home, give us a call on 1300 459 305 or click the link to visit our website.